So, in fact, I think we are expecting one of the Big Boss participants, Geeta Madhuri, on the show.
Yes.
I hope she is there online.
Yes, she'll be joining us shortly, and she'll be giving us what actually Big Boss house is happening, because as she is one of the contestants for Big Boss, she will give us more updates, and we can know about the house more better.
Yeah, we definitely look forward to her presence. In fact, she was one of my favorite participants on Big Boss show.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and she took the time off today, in spite of her schedule as the mother of a newborn child, to talk to us from her home. And we definitely appreciate Geeta Madhuri being on the show. I think probably we'll take some time to connect to her. And one of the questions we probably can ask Vasavi to her is as to what how a selection was made and what kind of. Yeah, I think Geeta, we can Geeta, we can probably see you. Hi Geeta, hope you can hear us. I'm Sunil here.
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello Sunil Garu, and hi Vasavi Garu. Hello.
Hello, I'm very glad to see you here in our show. Thank you for joining us.
Nice.
Well, congratulations for being one of the Big Boss contestants, and I really like to know how was your experience.
I think that's a kind of one-time experience that you can have in your life, and it's like an adventure kind of thing. It is something that very few people get this opportunity of participating in Big Boss, and it is like an adventure. I really liked my presence, and I liked my stay there. I enjoyed my stay there, and I'm someone who enjoys that kind of reality shows.
So you watched the show outside as an audience. You also been in the house as a contestant. So your thoughts and opinions about the Big Boss would be something different from an audience and everyone. So what is your opinion on Big Boss show?
See, నాకు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే it will be like బిగ్ బాస్ షోలో చూసి పొగుడుకుంటాం కానీ తిట్టుకోం.
Correct.
అంటే లైక్ if you can understand what I'm trying to tell you, బిగ్ బాస్ షో చూసి, because I being a participant of Big Boss season 2, అక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చి ఏదన్నా ఒక డైలాగ్ ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడిన దానికి వావ్ చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడారు అనుకుంటాం కానీ ఇంకా వీళ్ళని తిట్టేసుకోమన్నమాట. బికాస్ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళి కవి చెప్పుండొచ్చు, ఆ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు దానికి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు, సమయభావం వల్ల వాళ్ళు మనకు చూపించి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. బట్ మంచిగా మాట్లాడింది మాత్రం మంచిగా మాట్లాడినట్టే, కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ మంచే మనం గమనించుకోవాలి. చెడుది పూర్తిగా నేనైతే జడ్జ్ చేయను చెడు బట్టి, బట్ మంచికి మాత్రం ఫ్యాన్స్ లాగా మంచి ఫ్యాన్ లా ఉంటాను.
So before you getting selected to the Big Boss, so what are the eligibility criteria they have looked in you? What do you think that you are selected for Big Boss?
Probably they approached me because I'm a singer and
Celebrity?
No, I can't name myself as a celebrity, but then I can say I can say that I have my. Oh, excuse me. Can you see me?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I think the link has probably before.
But we will just can get back to you. Anisha, thank you for technical glitch. Well, we sorry about that. And
Hello.
yes, hello.
Yeah. Yes.
You can do continue till you get the video link back.
Yeah. So the thing is, I think people. I think the one who selected me, because I'm a known face on TV, so people will be familiar with me. And later, I'm a singer, and the next point is that people like to see known faces, and people get related to them, and people enjoy a lot judging known faces. So I think that is the reason they took me.
So how was the house? How was the performance? Like, if you were informed something or instructed by Big Boss how to play the game, so or if it is a genuine play?
It is a genuine play. It
Okay.
is a genuine play because see, I'll just tell you an example. See, imagine Big Boss instructing us to do something, and God forbid that turns out to be in a negative way outside. And we would come and say, Big Boss asked me to do it, and it is not my fault. It is because of Big Boss I got the negative image outside, and that we might blame them, kada.
Yes,
So
yes.
they will be very, very sure, and they'll be very particular of asking us to play our own game, taking our own decisions. Whatever we do there is not instructed by them.
Okay.
If they instruct anything, you can hear that.
So, oh, that's amazing. That's amazing to know. But there are certain kind of scenes which are coming outside in which the audience are feeling very bad about, and there are also few wildcard entries coming up and just going off out of the show in just no time. So, what's your opinion on these things, which are creating controversy, which are actually bringing out a negative image of Big Boss among the audience?
Negative or positive, or it is going to be a promotion to Big Boss show.
That's amazing. Of course, it
You
is.
got my point, right?
Yes.
It is going to grab people's attention, and be it negative or positive, it is just to grab attention, and then nothing is planned. And about the wildcard entries, I think no one should be taking wildcard entries as a competition, even the contestants, because did you ever see a wildcard entry winning?
No, never.
No.
Yes.
Because they already watched the show out. They already watch the show outside and go inside. So definitely they are not going to win. So it is very foolish to see. It's not actually foolish. It is very silly if the participants get inferior seeing the wildcard entry, because you should never treat them as competition in Big Boss show.
Okay. So then why the surprising special entries and wildcard entries happening in the house? And in this especially season 4 we have 3 wildcard entries back to back. What's the reason?
See, wildcard entry or any kind of entry or exit is finally for entertainment, okay? To change the color of the show,
Okay.
and just to get entertained by them.
Okay.
And because of the wildcard entry, we can see the behavior changes in other participants. So considering all these, they consider wildcard entry into the house. But the participants should not treat them as competition, is what I feel. If they feel the wildcard entry is as competition, it is their mindset. But it's just my opinion. Yeah.
So how, like Big Boss show has a great hype among the audience.
Yes.
So what do you think a major reason behind it? And we have season 4 also, back-to-back seasons are coming up. And do you think any phenomenal changes and the method of gameplay are changing by season to season?
Yeah, what I observed is that first question the answer is, we all like to see celebrities or known faces. We like to see their daily routine. See, even now, if you see Shah Rukh Khan was just coming out of his home and he was just waving hands for his fans, and he just gave a hug to his fans. And how many views you'll be getting on YouTube?
True.
There will be
You have
so
a
many
point.
clicks. People are very interested to know about celebrities, about their personal lives, about how they behave, how they think, and how they perceive things, about their opinions and all. And that is why the show is a hit. And second thing, if you see the nature of the show, what I observed is season 1 was in a lighter way. They didn't want more controversies in that. Season 2, they wanted more controversy or more fights and all physical tasks and all kinds of different tasks. And again, season 3 they went into in a lighter way. They didn't want to concentrate on controversial things. Again, season 4 that they're trying to portray it in a different way. So every season they have a plan of how to project it to the audience. Everything is planned, and of course, it also depends on the contestants inside how they are reacting to these tasks and all.
Well, on the same line, I have a question for you, Geeta. I just want to know, and I'm very curious about to know the relationship among the contestants before the game starts and after the game, and also how it changes in the house. So, if the relationship among the contestants changes according to the game, or if it is a genuine play, or if it is what's happening with the relationships in the house.
See, relationships, or we cannot call them a relationship. We can just call bonding. We can call that. We can use the word bonding than calling it a
I
relationship.
understand. Okay.
Because we didn't choose to be there with them.
Yes.
We only chose to be there, but the participants were chose by, they were chosen by the show conductors.
Okay.
So, once you go there, if you observe it in every season, first 2 weeks, everybody will be like very hyper guard, they'll be like, they'll be very, very, competitive,
Yeah.
very selective and all. Later, it is, finally we are all human beings, and I think the reality comes out, and I think one cannot act for a long period. And after third week, if there is some task with some fight, or if there is some task with where you have to be friends with your competitor, or with someone you don't like, the equation changes according to the show and the tasks and according to your mentality. See, for example, if I'm a contestant in Bigg Boss 2, my mindset is like, there's a larger life than than Bigg Boss outside. I treat Bigg Boss as a satire, like how Kamal Hassan sir told, it is a satire on the society. So it all depends on what our perceptions are, how we look at things. So the relations and the bondings and all, everything is like, finally they will be friends, because you fight or you have a quarrel, you quarrel with your friend, but finally next day when you wake up, you tend to be smiling and you tend to talk to your friend. It is the same with Bigg Boss House. It's like a hostel.
Oh.
So, Geeta Madhuri, since you mentioned the word hostel, I have to ask you this. In hostel, of course, you have separate rooms, and the only place people meet is the dining room or perhaps the parking area. In this particular Bigg Boss house, your large number of participants of different educational standards, attainments, dress sense, mannerisms, social strata, behavioral patterns, origins, language slangs. Now, you have been in person in the glamour industry for a long time, and you of course have come across all the cross section of people which actually a Bigg Boss makes a Bigg Boss house. But still, did you find it slightly different at the start to adjust or kind of be pally or be friendly to this range of people who come into Bigg Boss? Because many of them you may have known personally, but not professionally, but not personally. So, is it easier for a celebrity to form bonds or probably gel with the audience very easily, or a person like Dilse Mehboob, who comes from a totally different background, he will have a harder time in adjusting with other participants? Was it easier for you, And do you think is it difficult for some kind of a personality? What kind of personality makes easier to settle down in Big Boss at the earliest?
I would say it all depends on one's own attitude. It all depends on one's own way of thinking. It all depends on one's own thought process. It depends on how you treat people usually. It depends on how you think of people in your mind usually. And I think, to me, see, after 50 days, you have to be bonded to everybody.
Yes, yes.
There's no other go, because
Yeah.
you can only see the housemates.
Yes.
You've been seeing the housemates for 50 days
Yes,
by
yes.
then, and I think you have no other go but just be friends with them or have some kind of bond with them. And there's no other option for you.
That's
then-
true. That's true.
Yeah, but definitely, having said that, it all depends on your own thought process. Like, if you have, if you look at someone, like, how do I tell you?
Someone of, when you're at the
You
point,
yeah, if you are looking low at someone and, I don't know how to say that in English. ఎవరినైనా తక్కువగా చూడడం ఎలా చెప్పాలి?
yeah, looking down on somebody.
Yeah.
Okay.
You feel you are up on them. You feel you are higher.
Superior, yes.
Hierarchy. Then you feel very high about yourself.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All those, everything will be watched by people. Not everything, but at least your attitude will be watched by your
Yes,
housemates.
yes,
And
yes.
there the house play, the game, everything comes. That is the
Yes.
reason I like Big Boss. There are so many. There are
Exactly.
so many factors which contribute to the show.
It's a great leveler. It's a great leveler
Yeah,
of
like Kamal Hassan sir said, it's
Yeah.
a satire on society. It is really a satire on society. It is a satire on how we are living, and it is you see different kinds. You see they select people with different mindsets.
yes,
They
maybe.
select people with different professions.
Yes, yes,
And
absolutely.
they select people. They select commoners.
Yes,
They send people to. They'll see if you envy the other person, or you just go let them go, or you just try
Yeah,
to
yeah.
drag, and there are a lot of things. There's a psychologist in the team who takes care of all this.
yes. Geeta, Geeta Garu, have you noticed that in this particular season of Big Boss, the manner of selection of the contestants has changed dramatically. You have more quote unquote non-celebrities on the show. Unlike previous shows when you have like A-notch celebrities, including the one in which you participated, here we have more common element. Do you think that's consciously a decision made to involve a kind of democratization of the show, and they have realized that audience is not really, they want more of the kind of people which they are to be seen on Big Boss?
I don't know their mind, their
Obviously,
thought
yes.
process
Your take on
behind
it,
this.
please. Yes.
Yeah, but I can give you my thought process behind
Yes.
this. Like,
Yes.
first thing is that in these 2 years, a lot has been changed in regards to YouTube.
Yes. Social media
In
especially.
regard to YouTube,
Yeah.
like, YouTube, there are a lot of YouTube stars now.
Yes.
See, 2 years back, YouTube wasn't this.
It wasn't
big.
there. Yes. Yes, totally.
And we can see many self-made artists on YouTube. We can
Yes.
see many self-made artists on Instagram, Facebook, and other applications.
In fact, there's no barrier to entry into the world of
Yes.
entertainment. Yes.
And one more thing, once a person enters into Big Boss house, like, be it the most educated person, and take another person as the most illiterate person,
Yes.
they both are equal there.
Yes.
They both
Absolutely.
have to clean the bathroom. They both have to cook.
Yes.
They both have to
Eat the same
clean,
food? Yes.
eat the same food. Yes, eat
Yes.
the same food. They both have to play the task equally.
Yes.
And it is it is how people judge you on that.
Yes.
So
And
everyone is equal in the eye of Big Boss.
and audience is
when it
also
comes to food and all.
yes, yes. And audience is also very sharp to notice anybody trying to put down somebody else. Yes.
Yes, if somebody is trying to show their higher authority,
Absolutely. Audience
I
is.
think again, having said that,
Huh.
it is all depends on what we see in that 1 hour telecast.
Geeta, when you stepped out of the Big Boss house, what was the first thing which came to your mind? Was it like, oh my God, I'm breathing a whiff of fresh air, finally? Was it what is the thought in your mind?
There are pros and cons of
Yes.
Big Boss. Okay,
Yeah,
we'll
okay.
miss our family.
Okay. Oh, yes.
That
yes.
is the biggest disadvantage. Okay,
Yes, yes.
but then we'll know the value of a family.
Yes.
And another thing is that we will not know unwanted news when we are in Big Boss house.
Okay.
There is no stress of buying groceries, or there's no stress of going
Looking
somewhere
after
and
family,
going.
household.
Yeah, there's no stress of
Traffic
traffic.
also.
Yeah, there are pros and cons. There are pros and cons to everything, and this is how Big Boss also has its own pros and cons. And once I came out, I felt the world is running.
Okay.
That is what I felt.
Yeah.
Everybody were so fast, and it took some time for me to get into this real world
Yes.
speed, to catch the speed of
Catch
real
up.
world.
Yes. Yes. I know what that exactly means.
Yeah.
There is a speed in the big house in which everything is shut out. It's like being on a space capsule,
Yes.
which is
we think
reward-
we're very strong. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I've been doing a lot of tasks. I'm performing. I'm very quick now. I'm very sharp now.
Yeah.
My mind is constantly working like for
Working.
115 days.
Yes.
See, I'm very sharp. All these will be
Forgotten.
we'll forget everything. And once you come out, acha, there's a
Okay.
lot that we missed in 115
Yes.
days.
Yeah.
I understood it. Yeah.
How long did it take for you to catch up with the real world once you came out of Big Boss?
I think 4 days.
And how did your family? Did your family tell you that they noticed certain things changed in you totally?
I changed for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
A
Okay.
Big Boss will be an eye opener to everyone who goes there.
Yeah. Okay.
They admit or they don't admit it. I think they agree to it or they don't agree to it. Everybody will have their own eye openers there. Like they will if they're thinking high of them,
Yes.
there will be some
Drop.
situations where they can just
Yes.
they can.
Come
It
down.
is going to change your attitude.
Yes. Yes.
And definitely I changed. I stopped believing everything. I stopped believing what I see also.
Okay. Okay.
Because I don't want, I started believing only life, I started believing only in birth and death.
Okay. Very
Only
philosophical.
in the news of birth and, only the news of birth and death.
Okay.
Someone's born somewhere. Acha, is it? Okay. Someone left their life.
Yeah. Kind of.
Oh,
Okay.
is it? That's it. Other all, I have a doubt. Is it
Yes.
true? Is it true? Are they trying to drag someone into this? Or is it true? Is someone becoming a scapegoat? Are people
On the
getting
same line,
influenced?
Geeta Garu, I have a query here and I have a doubt, like from the audience side. So there is also rumors coming down by, like, as the contestants who are out from the Big Boss house claim that they are not received their remuneration yet. So these kind of rumors are here or there will obviously crack because it's a big show. So what
I
do you
don't
have to
know.
comment on it?
I never faced any kind of problem with remuneration from MaTV.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing to know.
They're very professional.
Awesome. So, to know something more interesting, to answer something interesting question, I have a query for you. So, among Nani, Nag, and NTR, who is your favorite host and why?
undoubtedly it will be Nani for me because he's my season's host.
Amazing. Okay.
Because I would definitely like Nani because I was a participant in his season, so I will be biased in this.
Okay.
But definitely NTR Garu did in his own way such a wonderful hosting, and also Nag sir. I'm liking him more and more in season 4.
That's amazing. So, what about Nag sir? What do you have to say about sir's host?
He has that
Aura around him.
స్టేటస్ అంటారా, ఆ స్టేటస్ ఆరా స్టేటస్ అండ్ ఆల్. నాగార్జున గారు అంటే ఒక 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 రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా ఫర్ హిస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ దాట్ ఆయన మాట్లాడితే ఏదైనా వినాలి, ఏదన్నా వినయంగా ఉండాలి అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రియలీ nice to see Nag sir there, and I especially like a lot when Nag sir laughs a lot on the show, and I also like when Nag sir is pointing all shoot questions towards them.
Yes. So, all over, if you have to say something in crisp about the Big Boss, what do you have to say?
See, what I like to say about Big Boss is, I want everyone in the world to go and experience. మన గురించి చాలా తోపులు అనుకుంటాం కదా, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాక కొన్ని చాలా చాలా ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే, మనం తోపులు అనుకున్నవి మనం కాదనిపిస్తుంది, మనం కాదనుకున్నవి అవుననిపిస్తుంది. ఒక్కొక్క సిచ్యుయేషన్ లో మనం ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తాం అనేది, మన యాటిట్యూడ్, మన లోపల ఉన్న మన ఒరిజినాలిటీ అన్ని బయటకు వస్తాయి. అండ్ ఇంకోటి చాలా చాలా రియాలిటీ స్ట్రైక్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అగైన్ హ్యావింగ్ సెడ్ దట్ చాలా చాలా ఐ ఓపెనర్స్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ అండ్ నేను ఒక తెలియకుండా ఒక చిన్న వేదాంతం వస్తుంది, ఒక చిన్న అన్ని యుల్ ఫేస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ యుల్ స్టాప్ జడ్జింగ్ పీపుల్.
Well, that's very interesting. Now I also feel like experiencing Big Boss one time.
I would say everyone go to Big Boss and experience it like you.
Definitely, I'll try to. And so here, there is something so interesting, controversy coming around. Nowadays, we also observe that in the season 4, the contestants are also wearing the traditional clothes, which is more closer to the Telugu audience. Previously, the contestants used to have, normal casual costumes, which they used to wear at their own place. So, but now, if you observe the contestant costume, it's something so different if you compare with the other seasons. So, do you have anything to say on this?
There's a last preference in my mind to think about costumes, what costumes they're wearing, because
I get it.
We should not judge a book by its cover. That's
Amazing.
what I am. Never judge a book by its cover. So this is different, and this is different.
Well, so in the difference, like if you talk
ఇప్పుడు
about
ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు చీర కట్టుకుని వెళ్ళి ఎవరి చంపైనా వాయిస్తే కరెక్టేనా? షార్ట్స్ వేసుకుని ఎవరికైనా అన్నం పెడితే మంచిది కాదా? అది. సో యూ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ థింక్ బియాండ్ ఆల్ దీస్. అంటే వీటిని మించి ఉండాలి మన ఆలోచన తీరు. అక్కడ బట్టల దగ్గర ఆగిపోతే ఇట్ షోస్ మోర్ ఆఫ్ అస్ దాన్ దెమ్.
then why the change of costume is happening in the
వాళ్ళేదో
season?
అనుకుని ఉంటుంటారు, వాళ్ళేదో. See, it all depends on how the contestants want to project themselves. బిగ్ బాస్ విల్ నాట్ సే ఎనీథింగ్. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ ఏమన్నా తేడా కొడితే అందరు కలిసి బిగ్ బాస్ వాళ్ళు నన్ను ఇలా చేయమన్నారు, అందుకే నాకు ఇలా అయ్యింది, అదే.
Do continue. We can hear you.
యా, ఏదన్నా తేడా కొట్టింది అనుకోండి, బిగ్ బాస్ వాళ్ళ మీదకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. వాళ్ళు అన్నారు కాబట్టి నేను ఇలా చేశాను, లేకపోతే నా ఒరిజినాలిటీ ఇది కాదు అని అనవసరమైన కాంట్రవర్సీస్ వస్తాయి.
Exactly. So
నేను సరిగ్గా చెప్తున్నానో లేదో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో అని చెప్పి తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను. అది ఒకవేళ స్క్రిప్టెడ్ షో అనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
Yes.
ఇమాజిన్ ఇట్ టు బి ఒకవేళ అది స్క్రిప్టెడ్ షో అయ్యి అందులో ఎవరికైనా నెగటివ్ అయితే వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఒప్పుకుంటారండి నెగిటివ్ ఇమేజ్ రావడానికి? ఎవరైనా
Obviously.
డెఫినెట్లీ నెగిటివ్, అందరికి పాజిటివ్ ఇమేజే కావాలి. సో ఎవరినో పాజిటివ్ గా వాళ్ళు పోర్ట్రే చేయాలని, ఇది సీరియల్ కాదు కదా.
Yes.
ఇట్ ఈస్ అ సీరియల్ అండ్ మనం అందులో క్యారెక్టర్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అ సీరియల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ రియాలిటీ షో. సో ఎవరో చెప్పినట్టు మనం చేసి అది ఏమన్నా తేడా కొడితే అనవసరంగా వాళ్ళకి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఏవి చెప్పరు. మీరు పలానా బట్టలు వేసుకోండి అని చెప్పరు, పలానా వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడండి అని చెప్పరు, పలానా అలా ఉండండి అని చెప్పరు. మీ ఓన్ స్ట్రాటజీ, మీ ఓన్ థాట్ ప్రాసెస్ మీకు ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే యూ షుడ్ బి ఫేసింగ్ ఆల్ దట్ వన్స్ యూ కమ్ అవుట్. యా,
Well,
It was really nice of you to talk to us, Geeta. Thank you so much. And I think you given this entire discussion a totally different kind of an angle with so much inside information and so much of a kind
one
of layering.
important thing I want
Yes.
to say is about Big Boss is చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, యాక్చువల్ గా మనం లోపల ఉన్న కంటెస్టెంట్స్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటాం, బట్ బయట ఉన్న వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఎక్కువ ప్లే చేస్తారు. బికాస్
Okay.
లోపల ఉన్న కంటెస్టెంట్స్ బయటకు వచ్చాక అన్ని ఫీలింగ్స్ తెలుస్తాయి, అందరు ఏమన్నారు. కానీ పాపం ఎక్కువ ఎఫెక్ట్ అయ్యేది ఫ్యామిలీసే. ఎవరినైనా తిట్టాలి అంటే వాళ్ళ ప్రొఫైల్ కి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని తిడతారు. సో వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీకి తెలుస్తుంది ఎవరినైనా తిడుతున్నారు, పొగుడుతున్నారు అనేది. ట్రోల్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ. సో
Okay.
బాగా యాక్చువల్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, బికాస్
Oh my God,
దే
that's-
గో త్రూ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ట్రామా.
Oh my God. Okay.
బికాజ్ సడన్ గా ఇవాళ అబ్బబ్బబ్బా గీత తోపు అంటారు, రేపు అబ్బా గీత వేస్ట్ది అంటారు.
Yes.
దాని కింద 100 మంది పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా మాట్లాడొచ్చు, పిచ్చగా చాలా అద్భుతంగా మాట్లాడొచ్చు. కొంతమంది బుర్రలు ఏదో కామెంట్ చేసి పడేద్దాం అమ్మాయి మీద అని కామెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎక్కువ ఆడేది ఫ్యామిలీ. అండ్ our world runs on getting influenced and
Yes.
influencing people. Again, it is a satire on society. Big Boss. ఎవరైనా ఆ అమ్మాయి చెడ్డది 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 చెడ్డది, అబ్బాయి చెడ్డవాడు 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 అంటే అయి ఉండొచ్చు అని అనుకుంటారు, కానీ వీళ్ళు తప్పు చెప్తున్నారేమో అని అనుకోరు ఎవరు. అలాగే ఆమె మంచిది 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 అని అన్నాక ఎవరైనా
Yes.
కాదు మంచిది మంచివాళ్ళు కాదు మంచివాళ్ళు కాదు అంటే అవునేమో, నిప్పు లేనిదే పొగొస్తుందా అని మొదలెడతారు. నిప్పు
Yes.
లేనిదే కూడా పొగొస్తుంది. ఈ వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళ నేను మా ఆయనతో బానే ఉంటే నేను మా ఆయన కొట్టుకున్నారని రాస్తారు. సో జస్ట్ ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూస్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. సో డోంట్ గెట్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్డ్ unnecessarily and
Yes.
start abusing people. You need not abuse people. If you want to extend your support, you just extend
Please
your
do,
support.
exactly.
Don't abuse. Anede I wanted to say.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Geeta.
well, we are so happy to join you, and I hope to join you once.
spoken Telugu, yeah.
No, we liked it.
Emotional గా వచ్చేసేది టాపిక్.
No, because the insights which you offer are so startling that I have seen Big Boss, several shows of Big Boss, and the viewer insights are very, very valuable. Thank you so much, Geeta.
Thank you.
Personally, I have benefited, and I'm sure the audience also has realized several truths which you emphasize, including the fact that, as Kamalasan said, and as you said, this is a satire on society and not to be taken too literally. Thank you once again.
And as we wrap up, would you like to hum a bit for us, because we are just a fan of your voice?
Thank you, sure.
Yeah.
ఏం పాడను?
Anything, any of your favorite lines?
Yeah, I'll sing my song. ఇది అదేనేమో అలాగే ఉందే, తెలుసునో లేదో తెలియడం లేదే, అలానా అని అనుకోమని ఏ రోజు చెబుతుందో ఏమో.
Wow,
Loved
so
it, loved
lovely.
it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very thank you. So, how's the experience with her?
She spoke really well.
Yep.
And the kind of insights which she offered throughout her 30-minute interaction, absolutely admirable. She's very balanced, and She's very well spoken, and in hindsight, she has told us several lessons, including the fact that it's a show. It is not to be taken this one. But she also mentioned that one different angle which we never thought existed. The kind of toll the trolling takes on the families of the
Yes.
Big Boss participants.
That's true.
That's something we never considered throughout this show. So in one sense, Big Boss is definitely a kind of a zero boss, because the audiences of the stars do face a lot of trolling, and of course, in total, the kind of trolling that happens and the kind of euphoria happens, the kind of unnecessary bubble which is raised around the show. Sometimes I also feel that this is not really justified, and there are cleaner forms of entertainment. There are more viable forms of entertainment. There are entertainment which is more worldly, which teaches you perhaps life lessons, or even if it doesn't teach you life lessons, it at least tries to tell you something which is good, which is positive, and which is loaded with loads of good wishes.
Well, that's amazing. Somehow we could able to grasp some little knowledge that what is genuine, what is not in the house, and what's happening in real is something what we could get some little information by the real contestant who participate in the Big Boss season lately. And so, anything here to conclude with the audience with a wish here today?
I think Big Boss probably will also go into 4th edition and 5th edition.
Yeah.
I mean, we're already into the 4th edition.
Yes.
I'm sure it will go into the 5th edition. And what will happen is, in this particular case, the audience TRPS will still remain the same, and the 5th edition will probably have a different range of candidates and different style of candidates. We have seen a different, I'm not saying a certain climb down, we have seen a certain change in the format of the range of participants who have been called into the show. Of course, the rapid expansion of social media over the last several decades since the start of the first season has had an effect. In fact, several of the stars who have even a bigger following than on social media, of course, than the major stars, they are the people who have been incorporated into the show, and that's a recognition of the power of social media. But then we know social media is a double-edged sword. Not everything which you see on social media is a positive thing, and therefore the stars which are present, the stars who give, whose power, whose number of followers in their social media accounts gives them the kind of following, gives them the kind of power which pushes producers of shows such as Big Boss to invite them. That's a kind of ephemeral power. It's kind of a power which exists in a very transient state. It's not constant, it's liable to change, and show is Big Boss. It is a show which is not a final word on the life or in times of any participant or who or what we are.
Yes, very. We had a very deep discussion into the episodes of Big Boss, and also we has counted on the play, and also we had discussed about the contestants of the house. We also got insights of the inside contestant who already paid, so-called Geeta Madhuri joined us and presented
Yes.
her insights also.
Very insightful comments from
And
me.
yes, and last but not least, you're here giving us complete
Absolutely.
analysis.
It
and
was
presenting
delightful
your-
to be discussing such a phenomenal show, and especially bringing out most of the kind of negative shades which this show actually definitely needs calling out for.
Well, it's so amazing to know something more in depth of the Big Boss, and I hope our audience also loved it to
Absolutely.
learn more about it. And thank you so much, Sunil, for giving us
so
a
much.
lot of information which audience really wanted to know. And I hope we'll get back to our next episode with another new contestant who already joined the Big Boss, and to give a lot more insights of the Big Boss show through our Zero Boss.
Thank you.